Such is life. Brand new motor. We used it once and ran the gas out of it, but there was still gas left in the float tank, you know, so I had to clean it out and clean the orifice like we do in all the Hondas, but you've seen that in my other videos. I'm not going to film that. Yeah, such is life. Too bad it's not getting gas, but it will. Well, we're gonna do the video anyway, so. There's a tube back here. I just got to pull it off. Well,
crankcase breather?
It didn't come off. There. That'll work. Now, let's try and leave it all together. We don't need to take it all apart. I need a half. Looks like a 7/16 or probably a 10 mil.
Yeah, that fits.
Okay.
Very tight.
Okay, get a little cup or something to put the fuel in. It's got old fuel in it, that's what's going on. Okay, just go ahead and set it down.
Look how yellow that shit is.
Yeah, go ahead and just set it down. Well, you're holding it up.
No,
Just
no.
Set it down.
No, but because it's leaking off the back, Reed.
Not anymore. No, that being level.
Nothing coming out now.
See, if you keep it level, it won't come out. Go ahead and undo that a little bit more if you can. Can you get your hands in there? Go ahead and pull it off if you can. Hey, look at that. You got the old gas. We've got the new gas. New gas is still up on top.
Mountain Dew yellow, man.
Go ahead and hold on to the bell. So here's our problem right here. That's our gas. The old gas was still in there. Here, I'll put it back in here. Oh, hello. Close off the gas valve. You can see it. I can't see it from here. That makes a difference. So now we got fresh gas coming through, so that's good. Okay, good. All right. All set. There, let's take this.
Yeah, a little bit of garbage down there. Look at that. See floaters?
So like I said, this is a new motor. That isn't bad. I mean, honestly, we've seen them really dirty, like all the other ones. It's a brand new motor. It has a little bit of crap in there, but nothing to worry about. Get my hands right off of it, back off a little bit.
So you've got more to take apart on that, huh?
Yeah. So yeah, standard orifice cleaning. We know that's the problem. You know, it's always the problem with old gas. Leave the fuel in there, and yeah, you should drain the little bell. You know, the float valve cover, but we'll just end up taking more time when we're supposed to be out mining and doing it this way. It's all good. You never know. I can clean the orifice if it takes it. I didn't think it would be sitting for, I don't know how many years it's been sitting now, probably 5 years. It's at least 2009, it's 2013, so like, you know, at least 3 years, 4 years. You know. It's January. What is the day? The 26th. That's my daughter's birthday today.
That one's small enough?
Happy birthday, Emma. Oh, cool. That one has the pin. Very cool. So we look down here, and the orifice is plugged like always.
A bunch of little holes in this thing too
They should be okay.
that I can't see through. I can see one hole out of all of them that you can see through. I think these are plugged up too, Reed.
You got a needle? Okay, plugged orifice. See, I put my finger behind it, no color in the no change in color.
There. Now they're clear.
Try that on this one.
Just had to blow them out.
There, now you can see daylight through it. Oh, look at that. While we're putting it back together, I had the camera looking at the roof. So yeah, we can see it now. Just putting the bowl back on, we got it all cleaned out. Yeah, you want to have like at least half a dozen of these screwdrivers just laying around your house. Those are the best screwdrivers. Got it? So, got the bolts in. Slide the gasket on.
What are those bolts? Are they both? Yeah, they are both the same length.
There's a line to hole up over there with that one. Here, hold on a second. Let me put this in. That wasn't a movie I planned on making, as always. Repairing stuff. How many movies we got on that now? What, 4 or 5? So I got to repair the generator, I had to repair the other motor, how to put a pump on, and now we had how to fix a 3 horsepower Honda motor that you can run little pumps with, like the WX15s and that kind of thing. So anyway, yeah, it's good that you got to see how to clean the orifice and stuff. So pretty basic, just pull it apart, clean out the holes, put it back together, and it's going to start right up, right? Well, we're going to find out right now. Let's see, I got gas on my hands.
I've got a couple rubber strips if you want to set down under it.
You do?
Yeah.
Yeah, rubber plate ought to be good, actually. I think we're going to have it vibrating all over the place, man, if we don't put some rubber underneath it. Even some of that rib matting would probably work good. So this is going to slide all over the place. Come down to the camera. We're looking at Rodney's ass right now. He likes showing his ass.
Sorry about that.
And that's what it's for.
But that,
The big piece. There, use that.
that's pretty flimsy stuff. It's needle thing.
You want to use it or not? If you don't want to use it, I think it'll sit right here just fine.